the 2007 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.